All right, tonight's agenda, we're gonna go over what is MetaTrader 4, what is a stop loss, what is a take profit, what are pips, what is a lot size, how to place a trade using the Android, and how to place a trade using the iPhone. All right, the first one, what is a MetaTrader 4? Last night, y'all downloaded the MetaTrader 4 onto your phone, but this is the app that we use to actually take our trades in. It's also called as the MT4, MetaTrader 4, but this is where we take our trades from. This is how we're able to trade in a $6.7 trillion a day market from our phones. This is what we use to multiply our income in any financial market on a daily basis. It takes less than 15 seconds of your time to put your money to work once you place a trade. You set it and forget it. So this is how we're able to do everything on the phone without having to have a computer, because it's right there. We're able to download the app and go. Oh, it goes too fast. Did everybody get a chance to download the MetaTrader 4 onto their app, to their phone last night?
Yes.
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. All right, then we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, the first thing we're going to go over is what is a stop loss. I'm going to show you actually on a chart what the stop loss is. This tool is what we use to utilize in our broker's account to limit excessive loss when trading. So I'm going to go into my, where is it? See, I ain't have it pulled up. All right, I'm gonna have to pull it up for y'all. But I'm gonna show you exactly what it is when we do what I'm talking about a stop loss. I'm gonna walk you through it. This right here is what we use as a tool to take trades from. This is called our harmonic scanner, and this is only privy to us. This scanner is an AI system, as we say, and it's 87% accurate. So what is a stop loss? You see this red line here that says stop? That's a stop loss. That just indicates that you're putting this in for a buy. A sell. And if the market decides to say, hey, I'm going to switch and I'm just going to go up and I'm going to turn it into a buy, this red line here, along with these numbers, represent where it's going to stop so you don't continue to keep losing money. And we're going to go into that as well, on how about the money, how you can know the money. I'm sorry, I'm getting tongue tied, but yes. So this stop loss is very, very important. If you do not have a stop loss set on your phone when you're placing and taking trades, it will blow your account. It will mess up and blow your account. So stop loss is very, very important when you are placing a trade. All right, we're gonna go back. So any questions on the stop loss? Okay. The next one is, what is a take profit? And you may hear us say TP hit. That's the same thing as us telling us, or saying that we got take profit. We also say we hit them blueberries, or we grab that bag. That's just more lingo that we use pretty much inside of the trading community. But a take profit allows you to lock in profit automatically when it's a certain price is reached in the market. And we're going to go back to the scanner. You see where you see here, you have 3 blue lines, and you have TP1, TP2, TP3. Those are your take profits. When we go over how to place it in your phone, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just going to walk you through it, but we're going to go into details, and I'm going to show you actually how to put it in your phone. These are the numbers that you put into your phone and say, hey, when it reaches this number right here, this is where I want to take my money and run. And it has 3 take profits, but you have to be cautious too in the market. So you only want to do take profit 1 and then come back and then you can maybe enter in again for take profit 2. Well, that's basically what a take profit is. You getting your money and you getting out. Okay, what are pips? A pip is a term used to express the exchange in price, express the change in price between two currencies. Just like a pip is the smallest part of a fruit, a pip in Forex refers to the smallest price unit related to a currency. The term pip is actually an acronym for percentage in point. So when you go over here back to the harmonic scanner, how we measure our pips and how much we're gonna do, we have a ruler, and all we do is just wherever we're entering in the market, because right here this green line is telling us that we're gonna enter in. So we actually enter in right here at this point, and we just measure it down to the line that we taking profit. That's give us our pips, and our pips size is 35. So you pretty much got 35 pips. But 35 pips to us, we know that 35 pips is money. Any questions on pips? I don't want to move too fast. If you're not getting it, let me know. We can go back. Okay, keep going. What is a lot size? Lot sizes are basically, like it says in the Forex, it's commonly traded in specific amounts called lot size, or basically the number of currency units you will buy or sell. So with lot sizes, we have 3 sizes. And these are examples, but we use the micro size, the mini size, and the standard. And how it's broken down, it may look like it's just saying it's a penny, but it's actually not. The micro lot size is 0.01, but it's actually 10 cents per pip. So if you, like we just did, showed you how to measure it over there. If we did 30 pips, that would have been $3. Then we go to a mini lot size, which is 0.10. It looks like it's 10 cents, but it's actually $1. And if we would have did a 10 cent, we say $1 lot size, and we did 30 pips, that's $30. And keep going on down. And if we did a standard, which looks like $1, but it's actually $10, that's $300. So as you calculate up, each pip represents the dollar amount that you're using, pretty much. So you don't want to over leverage. If you only have maybe $100 in your account, you would not do a mini lot size or a standard lot size. You will only do a micro. That's another, we'll go into details on that as well, because that will blow your account. Okay, we're gonna go to the next slide. Now we're gonna go into how to place a trade using an Android. Here's a video on showing you how to place it in an Android, because I have an iPhone, so I can't walk you through the steps on how to put it in an Android, because they're set up totally different. So I can show you on my phone how to do it through an iPhone, but with Android, we have a video. So we're just gonna a short video and show you how to place a trade.
Everyone. Today's video is going to be on how to place a trade utilizing your Android phone. So if you have an Android, this video is for you. So let's say, for instance, you're coming through our training class and we call out a trade. We're like, okay, market execution, buy or sell. We're going to tell you whether it's a buy or sell, for the pair being AUD, let's say NZD. So say, for instance, when I scroll here, I don't see it. It's not on here. So what the first thing I would do is click on this plus sign at the top right-hand corner. I would type in AUD, NZD, right? You see it pops up. All I'm going to do then is click it. It disappears. So I'm just going to back out of it, press the back button, come down here. Now it's at the bottom. So now you're prepared to trade. So now we're saying in the training class, like, okay, AUD, NZD, sale, and we're going to give you a take profit and a stop loss. All you're going to do is click it, just press on it. This menu bar is going to pop up. You're going to click on new order, and you see here it automatically says market execution, so you leave that alone. Next, remember we just spoke about the lot sizes. You're going to put it on whatever lot size you choose. So if you want to keep it here, you can put it there. And all I'm doing is all I did was click on it and press the back button and press in what I wanted to put in, right? Then right below that, you're going to see some numbers moving. Don't worry about that. Right here, pay close attention. On the red line side is your stop loss. On the green line side is your take profit. You see what the zeros are, right? So say for instance, we gave you this trade, AUD, NZD, market execution. We said it's going to be a sale. All you would do is copy the exact numbers that we give you for the stop loss, because we're going to say stop loss. You just put it in there. So say for instance, your stop loss, because we saying it's a sale. Say this was your stop loss, right? Just throwing some numbers in here. Then it's going to say your take profit, because your take profit, as they already mentioned, is where it's going to close out in profit. So all you would do is change this over here, because we said it's a sale. So we're just going to bring it down one. All right. And then we're just going to press the sell button. And if it says order is open, you did something correct. Now, say for instance, we called that same trade again, say AUD, NZD. You put in everything, we went to new order. You put in your lot size, and then you put in your stop loss, and you put in a take profit. And you happen to hit, just say the sell button again. You see what just popped up? Invalid stop loss or TP. That means if you put the numbers in backwards or you did something incorrect, and you most likely just need to go back and look at the exact numbers that we give you. So once again, just to go back over it, say for instance, we said AUD, NZD. We said it's going to be a sale. You just click on it, click on new order, make sure it's at market execution, change your lot size to what you want it to be. On the red side, it's going to be your stop loss. So you're going to put it over there. We say it's going to be a sale. Put a stop loss here. Your take profit, remember, we're giving you these numbers. Just throw your take profit up here on the green side. Right, so it's going to be a sale. So let's change that some. Boom, and then you just put sell by market. And sometimes it might take a minute, depends on your internet connection. But long as it says order is complete or order is done, then you are finished. There it is, order is open. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help you, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next training. Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is going to be on.
All right, that was the video of showing how to place a trade on the Android. Okay. Now we're going to go to showing how to place a trade on the iPhone. I'm going to share my screen from my phone so you can see it. So you can see it directly from my phone on how to, if I can do it. How to actually take a trade from my phone, from the iPhone. It's the same way. All right. Where is my phone? It's not. Oh, sorry. It's up there. Can y'all see the screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Okay, this is how you place a trade in the iPhone. It's pretty much the same way, but it's set up totally different. So when you get ready to place a trade in your iPhone, all you do is you can hit the pair that you're looking at, and then you're going to hit trade. And then you're going to say pretty much what you're going to enter in. Y'all know I'm not no tech savvy. So say for instance, I'm gonna go back out and then I'm gonna show you how to put the trade in. But it's pretty much the same way, except for mine actually tells you that where the stop loss number goes, which is right here. And then it also gives you where the take profit number goes right here. So when you get ready, either you're selling or buying by the market, you just hit sell or buy. So I'm just gonna hit something. It may say invalid TP or stop loss, but that's okay. All right. I'm just gonna go to trading view. I have some charts set up. Say for instance, I'm taking a trade on S&P 500. I'll come here and I say, okay, I'm gonna enter in the market now for buy. So I'll take the numbers here, the 3522. I will consider that as my take profit number. And then the lower number, since we're going up for a buy, I'll say that the 3493 will be my stop loss. So I will go back into the MetaTrader 4, find S&P. I don't have it. So if you don't have certain quotes on your like S&P, SX, you just go here to this symbol and you just say add.
Your screen isn't sharing anymore.
Oh, y'all know I'm not tech savvy. What? So say for instance, if you're looking for a pair and you don't have it, it's a plus sign right here at the top, and you just go in and you just say add symbol, and then you'll look for the pair that you're looking for. I said we're gonna do S&P. I don't have it on this one. Is it different under these? I'll just find another one.
Hey, Roz, this is the Renee. Hi, everybody. It really depends on what the broker is. So if this is FX Choice, is it all right? I think it's US 500. So maybe hit under indices and see if it.
Oh, there it is.
All right, there you go. No problem.
Because I don't use this one, so so when you get ready to trade it, you're gonna, if you don't have it actually on your phone, so all you do is just hit the plus sign at the top and go find the pair that you're looking for, and then you'll hit it. And we're gonna hit trade, and the numbers that I said were, our take profit will be 3522.3. So what we'll go here, it will go and we'll put it in 3522.3. And then we said our stop loss would be 3493.6. So we'll go back out. Let me know if I'm going too fast now. And then we'll hit buy. And there we go. And it's in there to trade. Don't look at a trade. It's always, this is the most important thing. Even when you enter in the trade, it's going to always come up negative because it's trying to register in there. But once it turns blue, you're in there. See, it's going, well, it's going down for a sale, but it's okay. It could go back up. But just be mindful of that whenever you place a trade, that it can go, it's going to go in red first before it regulates. But that's how you place a trade in the iPhone. Does anybody have questions on how to place trade in the iPhone?
This is Tracy. I didn't see what your entry was because the your picture was covering the screen. I just saw the take the stop loss. So what was the entry that you used? Because I couldn't see it.
I just put in 3522.3.
for the entry price?
Yeah, no, it was market execution.
Okay.
It was at market execution for it.
Okay, so that's on the iPhone. You just go, because I've seen everything else, but I know sometimes it does ask you for the entry price. So that's why I was just asking.
Hey, Tracy, real quick, I just want to let you know that you're able to move Bry's photo. So wherever her photo is, if it's in a place where you need to see, just drag her photo down to a place where it's not showing, the place where you're not looking for, okay? So
right.
Next time you're able to move her photo wherever you want to move it to.
Do I need to go over it again on how to place a trade in the iPhone, or is everybody clear on how to do it?
Can you just do it for me one more time so I'll see? Because I'm gonna move the picture. Thank you.
Oh, no problem. Why is it not coming up? Why is it not coming up? Did I do something wrong? Why is it not coming up?
Hey, Roz, were you sharing from your phone the last time that you did it? Because this
Yeah,
looks like your
I shared it from
computer.
my phone. Yeah, that's why I don't understand. It's not coming up from my phone anymore now.
Okay.
Cause this is my computer right here that's on there, but I have it up. I had it on for my phone.
Hey, peace family. Peace family. Hope everyone is feeling amazing. Also as well, soon as the class is over, we're gonna be dropping the 2 videos inside the WhatsApp group, just in case we can't get the phone share from here. So you're gonna have one on, oh, there it is. But it's gonna be dropped inside the WhatsApp group as well.
Okay, got it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back here and find another pair. I trade off trading view a lot, so let me find one. We can just say USD CAD. Okay, so when we get ready to enter it into the iPhone, my charts are usually marked up, so this one wasn't marked up, but we're just gonna just wing it right now. So this looks like to me is gonna go down for a sale based off my confirmations and what I see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, I can't do it that way, but we're just gonna throw out imaginary numbers because we are in our demo accounts. So we just roll with me. So what I say is I'm gonna enter this in at market execution. And what I do is that whenever they get, how we're gonna do, we're gonna give you the trade ideas, but for us, us vet traders pretty much can see. So I'll say I'm gonna enter this in for a sale. I'm gonna enter it in at market execution, and I'm gonna make my stop loss pretty much at 1.3145. So what I do, I will go to MetaTrader 4 and I will find, if y'all put in that trade for the US for S&P, you're in profit. You're making
Woo, you
money,
win
right?
the money.
See how it was negative now it done flipped? Hey, that's how it is. You making money now off of, I did mine at 20 cents. I got 63 cents, 80 cents. Like it's going up. So yay, if you took that trade. So what I do is I go here and I'll find USD CAD, which not there. So I'll go and I won't keep going back. I will go and find USD CAD. There we go. So I will go down here and I say, well, I said my stop loss was going to be 1.3145. So I will set my stop loss here. And then I will go and then I will find my entry point for my, well, not my entry point, where I want to take my take profit because I know it's a sale. Say, hey, I know it's a sale, so I'm going to go down and I'm going to say, okay, I want to take profit at 1.31300. So I will go back and place it in. And those are the numbers. You can't hardly see the, okay, there it is. So these are the numbers that I'm gonna put in, but I'm gonna put it in for a sale. So once you put your stop loss and your take profit in and you set your lot sizes, now remember, our lot sizes go from 10 cent. Dang. They go from, let me go back. They go from 10 cent up until 20. So we got it at a 10 cent lot size. Remember, the 10 cent lot size is 0.01. So we can just adjust our lot sizes as we go. That's 20 cents. And then this is the one I was saying that is basically $1, but this is $1.20. So all you would do is, like, to remember it and how to do it, you would just move your decimal point 1 point to the right. So if I say, okay, I'm in this for $1.20, just remember to move your decimal point one to the right one, and then we'll hit sell, and then now we're in there. And it's gonna hit profit take profit. I didn't measure that one too good, but I just wanted to give you a gist of how it is to take trades. Okay. Any questions right now?
I have a quick question. This is Danielle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I understand the market. Hello?
I'm here.
Okay. I was wondering if you wanted to do like a pending order, if you didn't want to do the market execution, you wanted a pending order.
We're not going to do pending orders because everybody that's on here are pretty new. They don't know anything about trading, and we don't want to confuse them with pending orders, and we want to show them market execution more than pending orders right now because they're only in this trial for 3 days. So we're trying to show them market execution, and then later on they're going to go over pending orders. But tonight we're just going to do strictly showing them market execution.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Does anybody have questions on anything else that I went over and covered so far? No? Okay. Well, this is the rest of the schedule for the rest of the week, which is tomorrow you'll be placing trades and do a strategy training. So tomorrow is when we're going to be actually dropping trade ideas into the WhatsApp group that you're all in. So you'll be able to actually take trades on your own. So be on the lookout because we're gonna send a lot of them tomorrow so you can get the hang of taking and placing your own trades. So any questions from anybody? Well, all right then. I want to say thank you to everybody.
Wait a minute. Don't go yet. Michael King raised his hand. So he might have a question.
All right, go ahead.
I was just trying to get a little bit more understanding about the PIP.
It's pretty much calculated point in percentage. It's basically your money. If you want me to put it simple like that, that's the money.
Okay.
That ruler I showed you how it was how I drug it down on the chart. That's basically how many pips you'll go, and in your lot you times the amount of pips times your lot size, and that's how you determine your money. That's your money.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Any more questions? All right. Well, I want to thank everybody for coming on tonight's call, and be prepared for tomorrow's call. It's going to be even better, and be prepared for your trades. So if nobody else has any more questions, have a good night.
Good night. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sis. Good night.